Here's TikTok Shop affiliate program for creators. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly tell you and explain about TikTok Shop. If you are a creator on TikTok and you make videos, and you can simply earn money through affiliate. So yeah, watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can make money through TikTok and do a affiliate program. So as you can see right now that I have a TikTok seller shop center opened, and I'm just gonna explain you how you can do that. So first of all, you just need to sign in, and there is one more thing that you want to confirm, that you have to be in one of these countries. So if let's say you want a merchant from Indonesia or Malaysia, so you have to be somewhere in Asia. But like Thailand, Philippines, these all matter in Asia. So my country is basically near Asia, so is showing Asia sites. But if you live somewhere in the United Kingdoms, you could just go basically for like a UK or US, but it's up to you. After that, you just need to sign in, and then selling or affiliate in TikTok for like creators is very easy. So how do you do that? So you can basically live stream. That's the perk of it. And then short videos are basically a TikTok thing. And there's one more thing in the end that it shows. You can just do product showcase. So you can promote someone else's products and earn the share profit of it. So how do you do that? So let's say you have made a TikTok account. So let's say you want to sell something from AliExpress or maybe Etsy or Alibaba. So I'm just gonna go to AliExpress, all right? But there should be one thing that you should keep in your mind, is that its availability, that it should be in the same country that you're living in, and the TikTok too, and the containers, that everything they ship, they belong from the same continents or area. So let's say you want to promote someone's affiliate. So just find a winning product, just like someone selling it, or it's very high demanding. So just find a winning product, just like this controller I'm using for an example. Just use it, and you could just basically use many types of importers and stuff like that to import that product into your TikTok shop. So as you know that I can make a TikTok account right now because I am not a verified seller. You have to be a verified creator first of all. You have to make some videos through TikTok, earn some followers. I think there is like a thing that you have to have 10K followers for it, and at least 50K likes on your videos. So you must be an acknowledged creator. You must know about it. After that, you could just basically go to the TikTok seller shop, and it's very cake after that. But yeah, they sell courses about that too. If you like want to buy some courses through that and you want to learn something, you can just basically read their courses and stuff like that. But this video is all about this, so you don't need to worry about this. Just there are a few things that you need to concern about, are just you have to follow the followers niche, and just by doing that, checking out what country you live in, you'll be able to get to go. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video. Until then, goodbye, and drop a like.